Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to shoot your product video very easy with your smartphone. Now let's dive right into it.
Who you think you're talking to? I spent time alone long before I met you. These days looking like a dream since I've been on the road. Seeing shit I've never seen before and still there's no place like home. Spending all my days on the west side. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up the movement. And I'm missing my own mind, I create my own version. Spending all my days on the west side. It don't feel the same on the other side now. Young niggas switching up.
Okay guys, the first thing you want to do when you pick up your phone is to change your camera settings. So head over to your camera settings and select frame rate and change your frame rate from 30 frames per second to 60 frames per second. For this kind of shoot, we'll need our camera to be set at 60 frames per second. So I'll create another video that will be explaining what 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second is and what frame rate we'll be needing when we want to shoot a video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be updated whenever I drop the video that talks about the frame rate. Okay, the first movement I have here is where I'm moving my phone left to right on a flat surface. I use this movement to avoid shaky in my videos. It's a very good movement. Make sure you have a flat surface and you can move your phone left to right. Okay, secondly, you want to shoot at angles. Trust me, you don't want to shoot at eye level. Always look for strategic angles and corners that are not easily seen at eye level. That's where you want to take your shoot from. As you can see, I'm taking my videos from angles and I'm tilting it. You can make your backward push and your forward push, but just make sure you're taking your video from an angle. Okay, so when taking your backward push or your forward push, make sure you do it smoothly to avoid a shaky video. You can try this as many times as possible for you to get your desired result. As you can see, here's another angle, another strategic angle. You can keep on taking the clips as much as possible, as many times as you can, just to get your desired results. So make sure you don't take your videos at eye level. Strategic angles and corners will give you perfect results. Don't forget to like and subscribe on this channel to get more useful tips and tricks from us.